Hi, my name is Matt Wynne, and I'm the owner of Aberdeen Building Consulting. I'd like to tell you about the service we provide during a typical house, building, co-op, or condo inspection. We do very thorough and detailed work, and some of the many items that are covered during an inspection are as follows. All 1- and 2-story roofs are accessed with a ladder. Taller buildings typically provide roof access from the top floor. The only way to properly evaluate the roof's condition and quality of installation is to see it up close. Proper evaluation cannot be done from the street with binoculars. The condition and quality of installation of roofing materials and flashing will be examined. The exterior of the chimney is also examined for needed maintenance and repairs. We also check siding, property drainage, decks, and garages. As far as the inside of the building, we look very carefully for any sign of water staining or water damage and use a moisture meter in order to tell if it's wet or dry, so that way we know if there's an active problem. We also check the heating equipment, including a carbon monoxide analysis of the flue gas, as well as stack temperature and draft. The condition of the heating system, including the potential for repair or replacement, is evaluated. Thermostats are operated and all rooms are checked for operational heat sources. Cooling equipment is examined as well. Structural aspects of the building are checked as well. We check the electrical system, including removing covers from all electric panels to check for unsafe wiring. Often homeowners or amateur electricians use unsafe wiring practices out of ignorance, which can put the house at risk for an electrical fire. The service entry is also examined. Accessible electric outlets are tested with an outlet wiring analyzer. GFCI circuits are also tested with a ground fault simulator. All plumbing fixtures are checked for good flow and drainage. The presence and temperature of hot water is also checked. All accessible piping is examined for condition and quality of materials. The water heating system is checked for condition and combustion safety. All exposed gas pipes are tested for leaks using a combustible gas detector. The most common cause of leaks is poorly sealed pipe joints on new work or dried out joint compound on older work. The attic is the space between the roof and the top floor. If the attic is accessible, we go in. The quantity and quality of insulation is evaluated. Signs of past or present water leakage or damage and attic ventilation are also checked. The attic is also a good place to evaluate the performance of the roof. The spaces below ground level usually offer a lot of information about a house or building. Some houses have a crawl space, which is like a basement where you can't stand up. Assuming the crawl space is accessible, we go in. Each inspection includes a New York State termite certificate that you can use for your closing. You will not need to have a separate termite inspection. Here's how it works. At the property, you get a full verbal report. Not only what your immediate concerns are and how much it may cost to repair, but also how things work and what you can do to take care of things. The following business day, you get a digital version of the report in your email, complete with large color photos and cost estimates. And shortly after that, a hard copy of the report will arrive by mail. The reports range from 40 to 50 pages long for the average house or building and read like a book, like an owner's manual written specifically for that property. It is just as important to inspect co-ops and condos prior to purchasing because unsafe electrical wiring, water leakage, and heating system problems, among other things, are commonly found, even in new construction. You can use our company website as a resource to find out more information about buying and caring for a house. Go to House Encyclopedia in the upper left-hand corner. From there, you can select from a directory of topics or use the site search engine to find out exactly what you're looking for. We're here to help, so give us a call.